Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you some 5 amazing websites you never knew existed. Hit the like button if you like my video and subscribe to not miss any updates. First website is Future, Future, futureme.org. ORG. Yes, this will take you to the home page of that site and where you can write emails to yourself to the future. You just need to have an email ID and that's it, guys. There you can write any kind of mail to yourself to the future. It is awesome, right? You just need to sign in with your mail ID, and it also has some other feature like reading public letters. You can also post some public letters if you want to with your anonymous name. Who doesn't like to read others' mails, right? And there you see. In the write a letter to the future option, you just need to enter your mail ID and choose your specific date to receive that mail in the future. And the second website is MathWay. You will have been struggled with math problems, right, in your life. But this site will help you to solve all the math problems in a second just by entering the problem in the site. It also has a specific keyboard made for itself, the site itself, where you can add all the math problems, or you can just take a pic of the problem. You can also have some other topics like calculus, subcalculus, not subcalculus, some other things like that, pre-calculus, trigonometry, basic math, pre-algebra, like that. And you can also see some examples regarding some certain topics, or you can download the app from the site itself. And the third website is llgoog.im. It is the website run by Google, I think. Yes, Google means in the reverse way llgoog, right? This site will show you all the tricks that Google has made for you. You just need to click that arrow buttons to swipe into the next trick, and there you go. You'll find all the tricks made by Google for you. You can also have some games. There you see Ball Breaker, Pac-Man, or Snake Game, like that. Not only games but some other tricks also Google have made for you, and there you can see all the tricks made by Google. And the fourth website is moviemap.com. When you watch a movie or TV series and you liked it, you just want to watch all other movies in the same genre, right? This website will help you to look into the movies with the same background story or something like that. I love Harry Potter, so I typed Harry Potter and clicked search. There you can see all the movies in the same genre of Harry Potter. This website will help you to look into the movies of same genre. And the fifth and final website and most annoying website is boardbutton.com. When you are bored, you just need to search for it, and there you can see. Click on the board button on the screen. Board button means the site gave that name, right? And it will take you to the next page where you can see what's on defensive life, something like that. And you are still bored, just click on the button again. I don't know about this game, I just click on scissor, right? And there you can see. You are still bored, just click on that button again and again, and it will take you to the next page until you are out of your boringness. Don't think that only some annoying web pages are available in this site, but you will also find some predictions based on your personalities and some other useful stuff for you. You can also have Star Wars interpreter. Many of you may watch Star Wars movies, right? You can create that kind of intro for your story. or you can add your picture and it will tell your age. It is a Microsoft algorithm, I think. Yeah, thank you.